Hey, you want to change your Android screen just like iPhone? So, if you want, you are on the right place. Assalamu-Alikum everyone, this is me Sayyid Hardisha and welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the screen of your phone, Android phone, just like iOS, iPhone, Apple, so you are on the right place. After watching this video you will be able to change the screen, so make sure that you don't skip any part of the video and watch the video full. Let's go toward the video, but before starting the video I'm gonna doing a little bit request to you that if up till now you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel, so make sure that you subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well for the further informative videos like this. Let's go toward the mobile screen. So this is my mobile screen and now I'm going to show you how you can make your Android screen just like an iPhone. For that you have to open your Play Store and search in search bar iPhone 14 launcher, and the first one you can see here 37 MB app, and you have to just install it. You can see the rating 4.5 rating here. So iPhone 14 launcher is completely installed in our phone, so now you have to click on it and open, and here you can see iPhone 14 launcher is loading. Click on get start, click on agree, allow, then click on agree. You have to give allow the options, permission, sorry, and click on agree. Here you have to allow also the notification access, and click on back and then agree. So now here you can see says default, and click on iPhone 14 launcher recommended and click on always. Then it will give you some notations. So here you can see this is totally seems just like iPhone. So this is the screen recording option, and this is a lightning. And this is a lightning, increase and decrease, sound, Wi-Fi option. This is a calculator. So this is all about today's video. If today's video is a little bit informative for you or helpful for you, so make sure that you subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well, and like the video and share your opinion in the comment below. Take care of yourself. See you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.